Sari stars, how are things going on in your sareeing world? I am Lakshmi and today at Kalpavastram I have for you some beautiful cotton sarees from Bengal. Summer is here and cotton is perfect to wear during this season. These sarees are all soft cotton sarees with hand done jamdani. The colors and motifs are absolutely beautiful and inspired by nature. So let's get started with this lovely jamdani collection. This is a very pretty pastel pink soft cotton sari. The body of the sari has multicolor buttas. The pallu of the sari has an awesome, breathtaking Jamdani motif of Radhe Krishna. This is done in multicolors and it makes this sari a showstopper. The sari comes beautifully tasseled with multicolored tassels and it has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast deep colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or silver jewelry. A soft cotton jamdani sari in the loveliest shade of reddish pink. The body of the sari has multicolored threadwork buttas. The jamdani butterflies in multicolor on the pallu make this sari very cute. The sari comes beautifully tasseled with multicolored tassels and the sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse and you can accessorize this sari with some chunky beaded jewelry. A soothing sky blue sari, this one is a soft cotton jamdani. The body of the sari has multicolored threadwork buttas. The graceful pallu of the sari has traditional jamdani motifs in a similar color combination as the body. The sari comes beautifully tasseled and it has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some pearl jewelry. A very pretty purple sari. This one is a soft cotton jamdani sari and the body of the sari has multicolored jamdani motifs. The splendid pallu has intricate jamdani motifs in multicolors and the motifs are those of birds. The sari comes beautifully tasseled with multicolored tassels and the sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse in one of the colors from the pallu. You can accessorize this sari with corresponding beaded jewelry. A very happy color. This one is in a beautiful yellow. It's a soft cotton jamdani sari and the yellow body of the sari has multicolored jamdani motifs. The cute butterfly motifs on the pallu make this sari absolutely pretty. The butterfly jamdani motifs are in the same color as the body motifs. The sari comes beautifully tasseled with red and yellow tassels and the sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast red blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some coral jewelry. A soft cotton jamdani sari in a gorgeous shade of parrot green. The body of the sari has multicolored jamdani motifs. The pallu of the sari has 4 cute parrot jamdani motifs in multicolor. The sari has beautiful tassels in multicolor and the sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse or deep pink blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some silver jewelry. A very elegant soft cotton jamdani sari. The body of the sari is in a graceful grey and there are jamdani buttas on the body of the sari. The pallu of the sari has traditional jamdani motifs and these are floral motifs. The sari has cute tassels in grey and white and it has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with an off-white blouse. A strand of pearls will enhance the look of this sari. A very summery soft cotton jamdani sari. This one is in a very beautiful shade of green. The body of the sari has jamdani buttas. The pallu of the sari has a cute motif of a butterfly and this butterfly comprises of many small jamdani butterflies. The sari has tassels in green and white and it has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse in off-white. You can accessorize this sari with a silver necklace or with a pearl necklace. Our weavers from Nadia in West Bengal have drawn inspiration from nature to weave these soft, summery beauties. To shop for this collection of beautiful soft cotton jamdani saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.